Hello everyone, I am Poonam Vohra and I welcome you to part 11 of our series Overcoming the Challenges. In this session, we will focus on tackling case-based questions, a key component of the CBSE Economics Exam. These questions require you to analyze the real-world scenarios. So today, we'll explore step-by-step strategies to break down case studies, identify relevant topics, and craft clear, structured answers. So by the end of this session, you will have the confidence to approach case-based questions systematically and score full marks. Case-based questions assess a student's ability to apply economic concepts to real-life or hypothetical scenarios. These questions require analytical thinking, interpretation, and a structured approach. Here's a step-by-step guide for students. Step 1. Read the case carefully. Start by reading the entire case study provided in the question. Identify the context, that is topic or concept, and underline important data or keywords. For example, there may be a case given about agricultural reforms and might mention terms like minimum support price, subsidies, or crop diversification. Underline such concepts or keywords. Step 2. Understand the question. Read the accompanying questions and instructions thoroughly. Identify whether the question requires to answer definitions of terms or concepts, or does it require linking the case to a theoretical concept, that is application, or does it require explaining relationships, causes, or outcomes, that is analysis or reasoning based question. Step 3. Identify the relevant concept. Relate the case study to the appropriate economic topic, whether it is related to poverty, unemployment, national income, or any other economic topic. For example, suppose a case is provided which is discussing about rising unemployment rates. It clearly shows that it is relating to unemployment, its causes or its types, so that you can answer in the same context. Step 3. Identify the relevant concept. That is, relate the case study to the appropriate economic topic. The economic topic may be, for example, relating to poverty, simple demand and supply, economic reforms, unemployment, theory of income and employment determination, and so on. So, for example, a case is provided which is discussing the rising unemployment rates. So you need to identify that this is the case that relates to any issue relating to unemployment in the country. Step 4. Extract key data. Highlight or note down important figures, phrases, or trends from the case that you can use in your answer. For example, if the case provides data on sectoral GDP, you must use it in order to analyze economic trends. Step 5. Structure your answer. Answer each sub-question systematically and use the following format. You must start by directly addressing the question. Then provide reasoning from the case study, and then relate the case study to the relevant economic concept or theory. Apart from this, you must use accurate economic terminology and phrases from NCERT syllabus to demonstrate the conceptual clarity. If applicable, support your answer with examples, numerical calculation, or diagram. And finally, conclude by providing a brief concluding statement to reinforce your answer. For example, if the case study is about subsidies, then your concluding statement would be, the government's role in providing subsidies is essential for supporting farmers and ensuring food security. Let's have a look at the example of a case study. The government has announced subsidies for farmers to support agricultural production. However, experts argue that over-dependence on subsidies has led to inefficiency and overuse of resources like water and fertilizers. Questions are: first, define subsidies and explain their role in agriculture. 2. Analyze one positive and one negative impact of subsidies on farmers. And 3. Suggest an alternative policy to improve agricultural productivity. Let's have a look at the solution of all the three questions. So first question is, define subsidies and explain their role in agriculture. So take care that you need to be very brief in answering. So subsidies are financial assistance from the government to reduce the cost of goods and services. And in agriculture, subsidies make inputs like seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation affordable, helping farmers increase production and ensure food security. Question 2. Analyze one positive and one negative impact of subsidies on farmers. Just write one sentence for positive impact and one for negative. Positive impact is that subsidies reduce production cost, allowing farmers to grow crops at a lower expense and earn higher profits. Negative impact is that over-dependence on subsidies may lead to inefficient resource use, such as over-irrigation, depleting water resources, and excessive fertilizer application, degrading soil health. 3. Suggest an alternative policy to improve agricultural productivity. An alternative policy could be to invest in modern irrigation techniques like drip irrigation and provide training programs for farmers on sustainable farming practices. These measures enhance productivity while conserving resources. So, once again, in order to answer these questions, of course, you need to refer to case study, but to provide additional inputs relating to case study, you need to be very thorough with the entire content relating to agricultural sector. Few tips for the students. First is that you must highlight key data and use data or terms directly from the case study to make your answers relevant. Secondly, relate it to the real life scenario. You can use examples or policies in order to strengthen your analysis. For example, if the case study is relating to agriculture, you can use any example or policy relating to either green revolution or minimum support price or any aspect which is given in the case study. And 3, focus on clarity. Write in short, concise paragraph or bullet points for easy readability and clarity. And use flowcharts or diagrams or any other visual aid that can enhance your answer wherever it is applicable. And obviously, allocate specific time to read the case, plan answers, and write concisely. So by following these steps, you can approach case-based questions effectively and demonstrate your ability to analyze, apply, and connect economic concepts to the real-world situations. I hope you are clear and confident about the structured approach to be adopted for tackling case-based questions. In the next video, we will dive into part 12 of the CBSE Economics Exam preparation series, where we will focus on tackling long answer type questions. This requires detailed explanation, logical structuring, and ability to present in-depth answers. So, stay tuned as we guide you through strategies to master long answer questions and excel in your exams. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Ecostudys channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.